Hi, this is Archie and welcome to your ProBox Customer Portal Guide. In this section, we will discuss understanding Incoterms, FOB, EXW, DDP, and DDU. Incoterms or international commercial terms are essential for understanding the responsibilities and risks involved in international shipping. Now, what are FOB and EXW and DDP and DDU? FOB or free on board indicates that the seller is responsible for delivering goods to a port of shipment, loading them onto the vessel, and covering all costs and risks until the goods are on board. Once on board, the buyer assumes responsibility for the goods. EXW or X Works, on the other hand, signifies that the seller makes the goods available at their premises, and the buyer is responsible for all costs and risks involved in the transporting of the goods from that location to their final destination. Now, DDP, or delivered duty paid, would just mean that import duties and taxes are paid for by the seller, and DDU, or delivered duty unpaid, would mean import duties and taxes are paid for by the buyer upon arrival at the destination. Comparing FOB DDP and FOB DDU. FOB DDP, the seller is responsible for all costs associated with delivering the goods, including import duties and taxes until the goods reach the buyer's destination. FOB DDU, the seller is responsible for delivering the goods to a port, covering all costs, including export duties and taxes. The buyer assumes responsibility once on board the vessel and must pay any applicable duties or taxes upon arrival. Comparing EXW DDP and EXW DDU. In an EXW DDP arrangement, the buyer is responsible for all costs associated with shipping and export duties until the goods reach the buyer's destination. The seller covers the cost for import duties and clearance. This provides the buyer with a simplified process, as they do not need to deal with the customs clearance or additional payments. Conversely, in an EXW-DDU arrangement, the seller only handles the availability of goods at its premises, and the buyer assumes responsibility for all duties and customs. This can lead to complexities for the buyer who must manage the import process. Recognizing the distinctions between FOB, EXW, DTP, and DTU is essential for minimizing risks and optimizing logistics in international transactions. These terms are not only define responsibilities but also affect costs and decision making for buyers and sellers. Each choice affects your quoting pricing, timeline, and responsibilities. Now you're ready to request quotes, which we'll be discussing in the next section. Thank you for watching.